Hey everybody, it's Cindy. It's Sunday, May 14th. I'm here with another hint for the May Patreon group. And this is hint number 2. Nobody's gotten it right yet. Today is the 14th, and at some point, probably towards the end of the week, the kits will be mailed out. So there's still time if you want to sign up for May. You can just sign up for 1 month for the kit club portion of the Patreon. And so it's not too late, and I would love to see your guesses below. For all of the May Patreons who guess it correctly, you're going to get a free piece of antique ephemera in your junk journal kit for this month. So here's clue number 2. I'm actually going to show you 2 things. You're going to be getting some frames that look like this, and some little cut rectangles that we're going to make labels out of. So put your guess below, and I hope you get it right. And I'll see you on Monday, May 29th for the class.